Yes. Good morning, guys. So it's not a good morning, but good evening. Today is Wednesday evening, and there is a stock here, guys, was beaten thoroughly after the earnings this the Nike. So guys, remember Nike is a big company, so you cannot undervalue Nike. So the only thing make Nike guys go went down. It means it means the revenue by 1.98, and it sent the stock down more than because guys, I was running today watching the stock which has been beaten down, and this guys, maybe this will be the around 71, maybe will be the dip, guys, between this range you see over here between 71 or 73 right now. If you want to know how what's the price, if you put it you buy right now, so we need to see what's the changes, what stock, how much the stock dipped. So from here to here the stock dipped, I think is more than $30. So yeah, more than $31. So guys, do not miss to buy Nike. So Nike is a big company, Nike many people using, and you cannot doubt this is the I can call opportunity, especially if you will buy this week before breaking out, because next week it's going to break upside, and it might go all the way towards around 79. So guys, this thing is not rocketing like the name stock. Remember, this thing is always building momentum. So this is where I think will be our next resistance. So but really is where it's going to meet around this moving averages around 80, 78. It's depending what time will break. So it's going to break out, moving outside, looking the way to practice some moving average on daily. But if you bring your time frame into the small, like a 45 minutes, this is what guys in the 4 hours is telling you tomorrow Nike is ready to move upward. That's guys, I'm talking about my personal prediction, and if you wish, these guys in the future you are going to see like a fish, like a, you remember the like a recession, like you see something went deep, and this the dip we saw right now. You can able to buy this stock. We had on 4 hours, just guys, this, remember this is going to play on small time frame. So this it was a double top with the bottom, and tomorrow when market is going to open, and when you see it's going to stay above here. So remember, MACD is already sending signal that this thing is ready to go up. And if you are going to use this 4-hour charts, and whenever you break out, it's going to meet somewhere here around 80, because this thing is going to come down and it's going to be acting like resistance and moving upward until the time reaching 90. So this thing, what am I thinking about this stock? So I'll go to use the weekly to show you some other dips stock happen. So especially this thing happened, like if you remember 2022, like you remember. So you see after this thing dipping like here, it dip, it recover, it went all the way to 160, it came, it did come to test 100 moving average, it went all the way, it didn't break 20, and that 20 has been acted like a resistance. Guys, remember this is several months since January 2023. Okay, like this thing on monthly have not yet break 20 moving average. So, and guys, if this thing, remember on monthly bounces, and 60 has been going to be like a strong support in the future is 62 on monthly. If you use on monthly, and this thing is going to play like I don't think it's going to hit here, but if the market will going to be strong sell-off, or yeah, it might be like you have to put, guys, the first of all. So when you see like here before, he came all the way, he didn't bounces, he bounces out of the resistance, and we saw these things on a weekly. Here is signal on weekly that time to buy, and the send stop from $80 to this moving average on a weekly, which is telling you what this stock has been on the downtrend for a long time. Okay, has been on that downtrend. Like when you see on weekly, like several months ago, this thing was on that down on that, like it was trading like, when you see like 2023, this thing has below 200 moving average since 1 year core plus almost 2 years has been down, and maybe this thing is going to hit on weekly. I've already say about between 90, something like that, until 200 to break about 200 moving average on weekly. That's when like it's good for to buy a regular stock or a long call, because this thing like here for me, we saw this dip like here. So remember, guys, I'm telling you, we saw on previous months when this thing come 87 before send all the way to 96. We saw on that market here, and the same thing is going to happen. So I'm going to do some more video later. Bye, guys.